4 advices for beginners to weight training. If you are a beginner to weight training for whatever purpose, I give you 4 important advice in this video. When you follow these advices, you will reach your goals much faster. Before you start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. 1. Build your confidence. People who are new to the gym generally do not like their body. They are starting to train weights to change their bodies. When you go to the gym for the first time, you see people who have been weightlifting for a long time, very muscular, with great bodies, and lifting very heavy weights. As someone who is entering such an environment for the first time, you may feel out of place. This is a normal situation. There is usually a shyness in those who are new to weight training. For example, a beginner can feel embarrassed to squat by putting 10 pounds on the bar next to someone who squats with 300 pounds. And overweight people may not want to go to the gym because they don't like their looks. However, you can be sure that none of those beautiful-looking people will be watching you in the gym. Even if everyone is watching you, don't worry about it. You live your life for yourself. No matter how skinny or fat you are, no one will comment on you in the gym. Gyms are actually very friendly places. People who train for good health are generally friendly. 2. Learn to train weights. Some exercises and equipments may seem unfamiliar to people who are new to weight training. You may be spending most of your time on the treadmill because you don't know what to do when you go to the gym. But whatever your goal is, you must learn to train weights. No matter how old you are, learning to squat and deadlift in the right form will be great for your muscle building and fat burning goals, and your health will be grateful to you. When you go to the gym, have a training program to follow. Try to learn how to do the exercises correctly and become proficient over time. Thus, you will reach your goals in a much shorter and healthier way. Weight training is a technical task. You can think of it like a dance. When you start doing squats and deadlifts in the right form, you will start to enjoy a lot. 3. Learn the principles of weight training. Principles always take precedence over methods. If you understand the principles of whatever job you are doing, you can determine your own method. As a newbie to weight training, you will reach your goals more easily if you understand why you do the things you do. For example, you will be more profitable if you focus on your strength rather than doing supersets to build muscle faster. If you have posture disorders, you should try to resolve them first to avoid injuries. Then you should learn to do the exercises in the right form before starting to do them with high weights. Then you have to maintain consistency. It doesn't matter how much right things you do unless you do it consistently. Advanced training techniques are the last thing you should think about. So there are more important things to consider before deciding how many reps to do in training. If you know why you do the things you do, you will get much more efficient results. If you do something just because someone has recommended it, you may not end up happy. As long as you follow the right principles, you can decide yourself which method to apply. 4. You will succeed too. It is normal for someone who is just starting to weight training to be very weak. Someone who is overweight may not be happy with their appearance. There is no problem with that. However, you have now taken a step to change. As long as you don't stop weight training, you will have a completely different look 6 months from today. So, never stop working once you have determined your training program to follow. No success comes suddenly. However, as long as you keep working patiently, you will succeed too. Good luck. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.